seems so quiet when it's just idling, but as soon as you step on it, it's a whole different story. I'm pretty happy after changing the oil and getting it up to temperature and flushing it. I can see oil shooting from the rockers, from the push rods now, so that makes me happy. And I think I figured out the misfire is the crank sensor relearn, and I fixed the exhaust leak. This is actually good news for once, I think. I've got oil up here now, it's running better, it sounds better, it's clean, fresh stuff. I didn't put any additives in it this time. Well, I got the headlights working on the FireBird and changed the oil 3 times. I decided to take it out for a coffee. So this is the first time I've actually had it off the stands in about a year. Well, first time I've had it, yeah, on the streets, since I did the V8 swap, and it's obnoxiously loud. It seems like the kickdown cable, it seems like it could be a little bit tighter. The shifts are really soft. I had it in 3rd gear, just not barely pushing the gas pedal at all, and it just dropped into 3rd gear. So the shifting seems to be good. I haven't had it in 4th gear yet, but I didn't go very far either. So far so good, but there's some little things, like I think the kickdown cable needs to be a little bit tighter, and the alignment. I can tell the alignment's out, so nothing major, but so far so good. Cylinder number 1 and 6. Then it goes to 0. So I found out how to get misfire data finally. I did an update. You can update these things. So I updated it and got a little bit more connectivity and stuff. It mostly sits at 0 at idle, but under a load I get a couple of misfires under a load. Only a couple out of like 200. I think it resets under 200 or something. So I might just run some fresh fuel through it before I make any decisions. And also the crank sensor has never been learned to this computer. This computer and this engine are from 2 different vehicles. So it could be a crank sensor relearn. Took the FireBird out for a rip, and I felt a little bit confident. I did a quick alignment, felt a little bit confident taking it a little bit further. This is the first time today driving it since the V8 swap, and yeah, not too bad. So far so good. The exhaust is really obnoxious, and that needs to be addressed. But I heard they were getting snow up north, so I just wanted to get it out before the snow flies. Yeah, she's a junk pile, but it blows my hair back. seems so quiet when it's just idling, but as soon as you step on it, it's a whole different story. Oh my goodness. Well, that was pretty good. Nothing bad happened. This thing is not bad at all. Like I'm going down these old back roads and the bumps aren't noisy, they're not rattly, not too bad. So far so good. Okay, I'm in the trunk area of the bird box FireBird, and what I got going on here is poor deck lid alignment and a big paint chip apparently. So the deck lid on the driver's side here, if I tried to run my finger flush across, the deck lid is sticking out. You might also pay attention to these gaps. So the gap on the passenger side is pretty tight. Over on the driver's side, there's a bigger gap, especially at the front, and it's hanging out a bit. So that tells me that the deck lid is out of alignment. This is a common issue on the Camaros and FireBirds, the 3rd generation. So there are hinges at the top here. You can probably also go by this gap as well, because this gap seems to be bigger on the driver's side. Not sure how much adjustment I'm going to get here. So we'll see what we can do, I guess.